trouble,
Dirty
boy.
Dollaz, baby.
I can't stop screaming these words over again until breath escapes and my chest caves in. It doesn't matter where I've been, can't give in and shut down. Just breathe in and breathe out and begin. I can sever the lies that he spits from his mouth. And now it's time to pull through something I must do, with or without you. I've been here one time, two times, and three times before. Long enough not to wait around for that knock upon my door. So I can't forget who I'm gonna have. Why put it in my heart? Just so much
Oh, get off Facebook. You're gonna kill us.
That's okay. At least we're both dead.
Derek Benhold says 361 4 and a 360 with a 9. 2 at once. We've not seen that so far this session. Both cars
That ain't
go
shit.
in. Snyder
I'm gonna do that
number
pass tomorrow in the
22.
airport. You don't like him?
True cold star. It's not that cold. It's only like 28.
She's broken.
That's why you should get a streetcar.
I know.
The Cuddy would have started.
Drunk.
Cuddy would have started with a sneeze of a key.
Oh, my back. Ooh.
Herniated disc. What happened around Jeremy's face?
I'm a dad now. I pulled him off.
You pulled him off.
I'm more mature this way.
Come on down. I hear you're feeling down. Well, I can ease your pain, get you on your feet again. Relax, relax. I need some information.
What the fuck are you doing?
I'm driving. I'm drunk. There's a lot of traffic over there, huh?
Safety first. Yeah, your seat's all the way up. You're like an old woman right now.
I gotta focus. Stop videoing me.
Come on, man.
Look at that.
She's moving.
Nolly. I couldn't eat film.
Get out of here. I ain't look. No, I ain't looking.
Come here, I'm not naked.
What are you doing?
I'm fucking taking a bath.
Here's your phone, sir.
Put it over there. Yo! Ready?
Nice warm air. Chris doesn't give you the pleasure of that Portland.
No, he doesn't. He's staying in a crack hotel. You want a gummy for breakfast?
Not yet. Rise and shine, it's race time!
What's up, motherfuckers?
What are you doing?
What's up?
You on your way?
Yeah, I'm like 30 minutes out, yeah.
The caboose. That's gonna be you. Blast.
Early bird gets a worm, second one here, huh?
You see how I put my name as Devin John?
Did you?
Yeah, I always do that. It's almost like old Danny where I used to wear the jackets that said Walter. It said so just in case the FBI was after him.
Stop videoing me. Get that camera out of my face.
Fire this pig up.
I only talk to God when I need a favor, and I only pray when I ain't got a prayer. So who the hell am I? Who the hell am I to expect a
a savior. Oh, if I only talk to God when I need a favor. God, I need a favor. I know amazing grace, but I ain't been living them words. Swear I spend more Sundays drunk off my ass than I have in church.
My back's fucked. Too much drinking.
You got him doing the dirty work too. Driving your car and doing your tires.
Sorry. Pulled so much power out too. I was yeah. I was trying to feather it, it was kept trying to hook, but it just would never grab.
You alright, old man?
Yeah. Fucking had a kid now. My fucking back hurts.
Dad life.
Feel a lot better after eating some fucking. Oh, you guys ate a bunch of shit. You're back. A little bit. It still hurts, but not as bad. What you doing, man?
How you feeling?
Feel good.
How's that back?
I don't know. You got some fucking good stuff for me? Fucking loser.
Hi.
Yeah, say it to the camera, Johnny. Do it. Shit him one more time.
Broken back, you put on your Grinch.
Now.
Fucking loser.
Two-time loser. All these losers. Fucking losers.
Packing up the trailers just like us. Struggle.
Ah!
Ah!
You good?
Yeah, goodbye.
Bye.
Goodbye. Love you.
Love you.
Love you long time. Until next time, kids.